Welcome back to the 2025 Firefox Cycle is here, and it's changing the way we look at modern cycling. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone who simply loves the freedom of the open road, this cycle offers the perfect blend of performance, style, and innovation. Built with a lightweight yet durable alloy frame, the 2025 Firefox is designed for maximum agility and comfort. Its sleek aerodynamic profile doesn't just look great, it's engineered to cut through the wind and boost your speed effortlessly. Whether you're weaving through traffic or climbing steep inclines, the ride stays smooth, responsive, and stable. What really makes the Firefox stand out this year is the upgraded drivetrain and gear system. Featuring 21-speed precision shifting, it gives you total control over your ride in every condition. Pair that with top-of-the-line disc brakes on both wheels, and you get unmatched stopping power even in wet or muddy conditions. For those who ride after sunset, the 2025 Firefox has integrated LED lights and reflective strips for enhanced visibility. Plus, the new ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebar make long rides more comfortable than ever. It's also eco-friendly and built with sustainable materials, making it a perfect choice for riders who care about the environment as much as performance. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your daily commute or level up your weekend rides, the 2025 Firefox is a cycle that delivers on all fronts. For more updates on the latest rides, whether it's cycles, bikes, or cars, don't forget to check out our channels, Car Garage, Auto Drive, and Auto Insight. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling content. See the next video.